Let's talk about the possible concepts. Um, Concepts in regulation of pituitary hormone. Okay, for you to have high pituitary hormone levels or low pituitary hormone levels, there are things, okay, that are basically what involved in regulation of this pituitary hormone. Okay, you might want to actually get to know them. All right, we have them three. I'll be adding few notes on them, and that'll be it for the lecture. So this question was asked in an exam. They said I write briefly on the important concepts in the regulation of what? Pituitary hormone. Okay, write briefly on the important concepts in the regulation of what? Pituitary hormone. Right. So this is our beautiful pituitary hormone with what? The anterior pituitary and the posterior pituitary. All right. So we want to actually talk about the concepts involved in regulation of that, the hormones that glands make. Okay. So in order to understand the regulation of pituitary function or hormone in normal and pathologic states, the following must be appreciated. Right. The concepts involved. We have the stress concept, we have the feedback concept, and we have the cyclic fluctuations. All right. So these are the three concepts that are involved in what the regulation of what pituitary function. So the first one is what stress concept. We said that stress can alter what pituitary hormone secretion and is used to test for abnormalities. All right, like insulin hypoglycemia can be okay. Insulin hypoglycemia, that's a reduction in glucose levels due to insulin. It could be due to what? Okay, can lead to elevated levels of corticotropin releasing factor. Okay, that's the stress, that's the cortisols. Corticotropin releasing factor and the adrenocorticotropic hormone, right? Then in stress generally, there will be elevated what growth hormone releasing hormone, and they will lead to what increase in growth hormone. Okay, so this is a stress concept for regulation of pituitary hormone. Let's move to the next one. The next one we have the feedback concept. Feedback by products of end organ endocrines like steroids will act back usually to inhibit the pituitary gland from secreting more pituitary hormone, all right? But in rare cases, they will enhance the pituitary response toward hypothalamic factors. Those are the releasing factors, okay? And the feedback could be what? Negative or positive, long term or short term, okay? So that's it, guys. That's it. Let's talk about the last one. The last one is the cyclic fluctuations. So cyclic fluctuations in pituitary hormone secretions like growth hormone and adrenocorticotropic hormone is mediated by what? Central nervous system regulation of hypothalamic releasing factors, and it may be altered in disease. Okay, so my mnemonic to actually remember this concept involved in pituitary hormone regulation is FSC. All right, FSC. All right, the S standing for stress concept, feedback concept, and cyclic fluctuation. All right, so these are all the concepts in the regulation of what? Pituitary hormone. All right, so that's 8 and by